What's up everyone? Welcome back to Vlogmas 2022. This is going to be episode number 5. I'm going to be doing some work today, but I'm also going to be wrapping some gifts. I haven't wrapped any gifts yet, and I also just purchased some yarn yesterday. I have not crocheted in months. I've been wanting to get back into it. Earlier this year, I think in January, I learned how to crochet. I made a few pieces. I really was just making a lot of headbands, and I sold some on my Etsy. I believe I have 2 left on my Etsy shop if you guys want to shop them. But I just purchased some yarn. I got this Wool Ease Lions brand weight number 6 super bulky, just this really cute pink color. I thought I would just vlog because I think it'll be fun with the wrapping and trying to crochet some winter accessories. So I'm going to take you guys along my day for Vlogmas number 5. I'm just going to unbox a few things first. I have a Christmas gift here for my boyfriend, and he kind of already knows what he's getting because he picked it out. This is from Poshmark. So I'm going to unbox these packages. The first thing I got is from Poshmark. It's this Obermeyer brand wool blend, like quarter zip. It's so cute. It's very thick and I feel like it's going to keep me very warm. I was inspired to find this on Poshmark because Natalie Zasik, or Natalie Downey, I don't know how to pronounce her last name, but it's this Obermeyer quarter zip, and I saw she was wearing it in a picture. Hers was like a hot pink color and it looked so cute on a ski trip that she was on, and I was like, oh, I need to find this. So I actually found it in this black and white color scheme on Poshmark, and I got it for like $38 I think, plus the shipping. Thick material with a bold wintry pattern on it, so absolutely love this. I'm excited to wear this because I have some ski trips planned. Aritzia sweatpants. These are the Cozy Fleece Boyfriend. I have the color Admiral, which is this dark blue color. I have a matching crew neck for it, so I thought I'd get the sweatpants. I got these in a size medium. These are the boyfriend fit. I wanted them to be a little oversized. The gift that I got for my boyfriend, he picked them out, but they're these Lems brand slippers, and what's different about these compared to a regular slipper is that they have a wider toe box and a cork insole. The sole of them is a bit flatter as well, so it doesn't provide support like a standard shoe does. He's really into barefoot shoes, wide toe box shoes, all that kind of stuff. These look very good quality. They're from the brand Lems. So I'll be wrapping these up as part of some of the gifts I'll be wrapping today. I'm gonna start wrapping the gifts now. For my sister, I got this little Aritzia tank top. This is the Sicily top. I also have this, and she said she liked it, so I got her one. And then I absolutely love this Merit Beauty Shade Slick Lip Oil. This is awesome, so I got her the same one in the same clear shade. Just a great lip oil to have, and it came with this makeup bag, so I'm also gonna gift her the bag because I already have one, and it's a really nice bag. I think she would like it. For my boyfriend, I got him the Lems slippers that he wanted, and then for my mom, my sister and I are gifting her a new robe and then some slippers to go with it. The slippers have not come yet. I have the same one, and she said she really liked it. It's a little later in the afternoon now. I'm just working on a DIY bookmark gift for my grandma for Christmas. I made a little design in Canva, and I'm trying to do like a front and back thing. And then I'm going to print it on thick cardstock, try to laminate it. and it feels nice and sturdy. It was a little harder to hole punch with the lamination material on it. Now that I have the bookmark hole punched here, I just picked out some yarn that I already have. I'm going to use these yellow and orange colors just to match the bookmark here. I'm going to make a little tassel. I'm just going to wrap the yarn around my hand a couple times. And the key with this is that you just want to keep it in this loop shape. I'm going to put it down and do the same thing with the orange yarn. Okay, so I wrapped around about 14 times there. I'm going to take my 2 circles here and just put them together as one. Just going to cut the bottom. Just going to take a longer piece of the string, place my bunch of strings here, and just tie this string around it tightly. I'm just going to take another piece of string here, and this one's just going to get tied a ½ inch or inch below this top knot here, and this will create a nice little bubble. Just wrapping these extra strings around, and I'm just going to tuck them into this. Now I'm just going to even out the bottom a little bit. Here is the finished tassel. Looks really cute and simple. I'm going to attach it onto the bookmark now. Here is the finished bookmark. I think it looks pretty cute. It's a great little DIY gift if you want to do something a little more sentimental for someone who likes reading. I'm gonna start doing the crocheting. Haven't crocheted in months. I'm gonna be following a tutorial from It's Erin B on YouTube. She has a video for a DIY chunky fitted knit beanie. I'll link her video in the description box. But apparently you're supposed to be able to make it pretty quickly, like within a few hours, depending on your skill level and how quick or slow you are. So hopefully it doesn't take too long. This is the Lions brand Wool Ease Thick and Quick. This is a weight of 6 or super bulky yarn. I got a 10mm hook. That's what she's using in her video. This yarn calls for a 9mm hook, but she's using a 10, and that's what I have. So I have 3 skeins of this yarn. Ideally, 1 skein will be good for the hat. 1 skein of this yarn is 170 grams or 6 ounces. I've been doing this for about an hour. This is how much I've gotten done. I'm going to take a break from the crocheting, run out. We stopped at Trader Joe's. I picked up some groceries and had to get a couple Christmas cards because their cards are just unmatched and only 99 cents, so you just can't beat it. I love getting cards at Trader Joe's. It is a little after 8 p.m. now and I have not done anything for dinner yet, so I'm going to start doing some cooking. I'm going to use some chicken broth and water just to give the rice a little more flavor. I'm going to do 2 cups of rice dry and then 4 cups of liquid. So I'll do 2 cups of chicken broth and 2 cups of water. I'm also just going to add a little bit of tomato paste and just a few tablespoons of salsa. This will just give the rice a nice flavor. some smoked paprika. I love paprika. Chili powder. I'll also throw in some onion salt. I kind of just do whatever. Just kind of wing it. And some salt. Tiny bit of garlic powder. Okay, I'm just going to bring that to a boil and I'm going to rinse my rice. It's about 8:50 now, so it took me a little under an hour to cook all this, so I'm going to eat, but everything looks very good. It's the next morning now. I'm gonna finish the crochet beanie. I wanted to show it in this video all done. I'm getting pretty close to finishing. I just have to do a few more rows and then stitch the top together, and I think that's it. So I should be able to finish it, I'm hoping, in an hour. So hopefully you all have been enjoying this very random vlog. I feel like all my vlogmases are super random, give or take one or two where I'm doing something out, like traveling somewhere, but I feel like a lot of my at-home vlogmases are so random. But hopefully you guys have all been enjoying. I'm gonna work more on the crochet beanie now. I've crocheted 26 rows. This is what Erin did in her video, so it seems like it lines up pretty good. My other beanie here. The next step that she does in the video is take the original tail and tie on the remainder of the yarn to this tail. So after attaching the new yarn, she just inserts her hook in this first little hole here, pulls through, and then chains one, and then she just does a slip stitch all the way up to the top, so I'm going to do that now. I've slip stitched up to the top, and in the video she says to leave a very long tail because we're going to be using this to stitch up the top. I'm going to take my darning needle and just weave this very long tail.
So I'm just going to space it out by a few stitches and whip stitch all along this top edge here.
I feel like I could have done the top better. I don't think I was making the stitches far apart enough when I started, and it was making the hat not come as close together. I'm not sure if I executed the top portion of this as good as it probably needs to be, but it seems like it's gonna look okay. So I think I'm just gonna tie these off. So I think I just finished it. I'm gonna turn it right side out and hope for the best. Definitely very fitted. Feels very secure, like it would be very warm. It's so thick and chunky. I feel like it's honestly really cute. I feel like this is cute. I feel like the beanie is a pretty close match to the pink in my new scarf. So I could probably wear those together as well, and that would look really cute. It is so dark out right now. It's a very cloudy day. I'm not a huge fan of vlogging or making content when there's so much low light because I just feel like the quality never looks as good. But obviously I still want to vlog and I don't want to let a cloudy day stop that. And I don't have a ring light or anything like that. It makes me feel like maybe I should get a ring light. But I'm very happy with how the beanie came out. Hopefully you guys have all enjoyed this vlog. I think I'm going to end it off here. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe to keep up with all the vlogs, all the content. Follow my other social channels. I have everything linked in the description box. And I hope to see you all in the next video.